Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share some essential benefits why you should include the little gem of a fruit, the date, into your daily diet. Growing up here in the United States, I don't remember coming across this fruit and never tried it in the past. And wow, was I missing out! Dates are a natural superfood. They are rich in many essential minerals, antioxidants, fiber, and have many other nutritional and medicinal benefits, and best of all, they taste amazing. I really enjoy chewy candies, and so these dates satisfy my sweet tooth. They have a sweet flavor and chewy texture. Number one reason why you should eat dates every day. Dates help to promote good gut health and prevent constipation. Dates are very high in fiber. A 3.5 ounce serving has 7 grams of fiber, which is about 25% of your daily fiber value. High amounts of fiber in dates help maintain healthy blood sugar levels by slowing the digestion of carbs. Number 2. Dates are full of essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium, copper, magnesium, vitamin K, and vitamin B, and are also a rich source of potassium, even higher than bananas. Can you believe it? Let's not forget potassium plays an important role within the body, such as assisting in muscle contraction and supporting normal blood pressure. Number 3. Wouldn't you be interested in improving your brain health? I know I would. Dates make your brain healthier and can improve your brain function. The high antioxidant content can prevent inflammation throughout the body, including the brain. Number 4. Dates combat many chronic diseases. Dates are high in antioxidants, including flavonoids, carotenoids, and phenolic acid. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. And we know free radicals are a major culprit in chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and autoimmune diseases. Number 5. Skip the lotions and potions, bring on the dates! I couldn't believe these tasty delights would improve my skin until I personally experienced it. They are a good source of phytohormones which have been shown to improve skin elasticity, make skin brighter, and decrease wrinkles. Number 6. Did you know that dates help pregnant women during labor? Research has shown that dates consumed during late pregnancy positively affects labor and delivery. Dates may have an oxytocin-like effect on the body, leading to increased sensitivity of the uterus, which can help stimulate uterine contractions and speed up labor. The glucose content of dates provides an important source of energy supply in the body during delivery. The studies recommended eating 6 dates daily during the last 4 weeks of pregnancy. I hope this video helped you learn about some beneficial reasons why you should eat dates every day. Look out for my next video where I will share with you some different types of dates and tasty ways to enjoy these superfruits. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share any ideas or fun facts about dates in the comments section, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!